Hi folks, Paul here. This is a quick intro to all the things I've done to my Nissan Leaf in the last 6 weeks to try and improve the energy efficiency, the range basically, and just to make it a little bit more comfortable and suit my own personal taste. I've added a phone mount, 3D printed designed phone mount. So I've got an old phone that's running Leaf Spy, which tells me all about the battery and the condition and state of charge and so on. I have added a extra switch to the heater. In the original Generation 1 first version Nissan Leafs, you couldn't run the fan only, you had to run the fan and the heater at the same time. So if you're ever in a situation where you want to demist the windows without draining the battery too much, you install an extra switch which will allow me to just run the fan without any heat over the windows. So there's that. I have installed heated seats, which is very nice. That's another way of heating the person rather than the whole cabin. So it takes a lot of power to heat the cabin, much less to heat just the seats. That took ages to do, by the way. It's a bit of a mission. This is purely a personal style preference, but I have put black tape over the silly little trees thing. If you're familiar with a Leaf, there's a tree symbol that indicates how energy efficient you're being, and I just found that silly and annoying. And so I put some black masking tape over that so it doesn't annoy me anymore. And in a similar vein, I've put some black tape over the blue bars that are on this side of the dash. Those just are telling you the temperature of the battery, which is a good thing to know, but I don't want to have massive blue bars, and it just seems poor design to me. So I've blacked that out as well. And I would like to get rid of all these silly rings as well. That just seems kind of dorky design as well. But anyway, that's too tricky. So moving on outside the car, I have 3D printed some of these inserts that block up the holes in the rim so that I can improve the aerodynamic efficiency over the wheels. Theoretically, these kind of wheel covers can add another 3 to 5% to your range, possibly more if you're just travelling at high speed. So I've got those on all the wheels, and they don't look too bad, I think. Sometimes people have a big disc over the wheel, and that I think does look a bit dorky. Whereas this, I think, looks okay. There's these holes here which are causing a little bit more aerodynamic inefficiency, but they're not nearly so easy to remedy. So no easy fix for that. Coming around the front, I have installed a block over most of the grille, not all of the grille. Some people block off the entire grille because there's enough air coming in elsewhere to keep the car cool mostly. And seeing as I'm not driving in a particularly hot country, I don't need as much grille as there is. I've also put black tape over this portion here just so that I think that looks a bit better than what it previously looked like where that was all blue. What else? In under the hood, there's a design flaw with Nissan Leafs where water trickles down the windscreen and falls in through this hole for the windscreen wipers, and it drops down into a little cavity that holds the top bolt for the front suspension. And so what normally happens is water gets down there, pools in there and rusts the bolt, which is a very bad thing. So I've 3D printed some covers, which are very hard to see because they're black, but they work quite nicely. And what else have I done? I've got a tow bar installed, so that makes the car much more useful for carrying bikes, which is very important for me. And I've started replacing a few of the light bulbs, replacing them with LEDs, which are a bit more efficient. It's not going to make a huge difference, but it's just psychological mostly. So that's what I've done so far. I'm sure I'll come up with some more things to do. Anything I can think of to increase the range is always nice. At the moment, the maximum range I can get out of it is about 155 k's, and in real world driving it'll be probably slightly less than that. But otherwise, I'm really impressed with the car. It's beautifully smooth, it's got quite a lot of pep, it's a good grunty wee car, so quite happy with it. Alright, thanks for watching, cheers!